Hello. Have you ever wondered how the rocks beneath our feet are formed, or how they change over time? Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of rocks and the rock cycle. The rock cycle is a continuous process that describes the transformation of rocks from one type to another. It's a never-ending cycle of change, with rocks constantly being created, destroyed, and reformed. There are three major types of rock: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Magma is molten rock beneath Earth's surface, while lava is magma that has erupted onto the surface. When magma or lava cools, it forms crystals that lock together to create igneous rocks. Granite is an example of an igneous rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and cementation of sediments. Sediments are loose materials like sand, gravel, and mud that are transported by wind, water, or ice. When sediments are deposited in layers and compacted over time, they form sedimentary rocks. Limestone is an example of sedimentary rock. Metamorphic rocks are formed from the transformation of existing rocks under extreme heat and pressure. These conditions can change the mineral composition and texture of the rocks, creating new metamorphic rocks. Marble is an example of metamorphic rock. The rock cycle is driven by a variety of processes, including weathering. Weathering is the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces by wind, water, or ice. Erosion. Erosion is the process by which weathered rock fragments are transported by wind, water, and ice. Deposition. Deposition is the process by which sediments are deposited in layers. Compaction and cementation. Compaction and cementation are the processes by which sediments are compacted and cemented together to form sedimentary rock. Melting and solidification. Melting and solidification are the processes by which magma and lava cool and solidify to form igneous rock. Metamorphism. Metamorphism is the process by which existing rocks are transformed into new metamorphic rock under extreme heat and pressure. And lastly, plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the process by which Earth's lithosphere is divided into plates that move and interact with each other. Plate tectonics can cause rocks to be uplifted, melted, or subjected to extreme pressure, leading to the formation of new rocks. The rock cycle is a complex and dynamic process that is constantly shaping Earth's surface. It's a reminder that Earth is a living planet that is constantly changing and evolving. So the next time you see a rock, remember that rock is just one small part of a much larger story. The rock cycle is a powerful force that's been shaping our planet for billions of years. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the rock cycle. Thank you for watching.